Hi there, my name is Ethan Buckheimer and this is Nature Show. Today we're going to be in the Montana Outback looking at snakes and frogs, whatever the hell else we can find. Come along. Here we got a wild garden snake from Billings, Montana.
Hold that going. You're gonna get eaten, dude.
Oh, he's a crazy little bug up there. You know, we call him down here by the river. We like to be down here, you know.
You just knocked him out.
We're calming him down.
Put him in the water.
You see,
yeah, they swim, dude.
They swim really good.
He's a beauty little color here. He's a little beaut. I'm pretty sure he's a little male. Pretty fisky. Probably looking for a mate here.
Ethan, give it to him.
Looking for some ants here for dinner. You see him there. Got beautiful color. Beautiful color.
Oh my God!
He's just a little bugger.
Let's put him in the river.
We're gonna
Or
put him in the lake.
lake.
Let him go. Maybe he'll catch a little minnow or something.
Give us a little
Catch us some food. Say bye-bye to this little beaut. See you there, Sheila. Look at him go.
graceful.
He's coming back. Hi. Hi. We got two angry tourists. Gotta take the Jeff Cohen tour experience, but they're a bunch of assholes. So, you see this hill's not that bad. Like, I'm a fat guy and I think this hill's easy. So, we're gonna get him up to the top, you know, get him something to eat. The Sheila up there has to pee. So, we're gonna get up there and see what's up top. Hopefully find some animals or something to brighten this guy's mood.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, here you see we got North American deer tracks. These are deer tracks from North America.
Where's that
They
at?
run all the way up this mountain here. You can see they're probably down at the river drinking water, having a party. You know, probably a couple of Sheilas, a couple of mates there. You know, having a good old time. See here we got two unreloaded tourists here. This one's a deer.
Shut up.
Dildo tester. We got the Sheila up here. She thinks she's taking the lead.
We all know women can't lead.
But, you know, it's not that bad of a hill. She's getting on each other's neck here. Gotta try really hard, you know. We came down and they knew the consequences for coming down. So, we had to go back up eventually. Whew. Alright, you see, got some cliffs up there with a bird. Flying around, it's kind of gone now. High up on the hill here. Almost to the top.
No civilization for the 5-mile radius.
We got a nice little city.
Make it one.
Over there, don't worry about that city. It's nature. The cliffs up here, sometimes hobos sleep. Hobos are wild animals to Montana. Got some birds flying around, you know, more deer tracks. Up top I heard there's an ant patch. So we're going to make our way towards the ant patch.
I think we passed it.
Out in the wild sometimes, you might have to find some nutrition. Over here you see we got some wild flowers. Let's go have a taste. Yeah.
What kind of flowers are these?
Purple ones. Alright, you see these flowers, they don't look very safe to eat. So I'm just going to eat a couple of the buds here. Now you see these buds, high in protein. Not bad. Yum. Here, we're halfway up the trail. Yeah, almost. Whoa, look at that. Here, looks like we got some North American fire ants. You see, they're coming in here, coming out of this little hole. That's where the queen is. You see these ones here? Those little fighter ants here, they're coming out here to tell me, you get away from my queen.
Shit, dude.
They're
They're attacking.
Yeah.
Fuck! Come on, Ethan! Come on! Come on! Let it get you!
They're so beautiful.
Oh, fuck!
What are you doing? We got attacked by those ants back there. I made it, but I don't know what happened to my cameraman. We don't know what's going on. Those ants just came out of nowhere. He's okay. I don't know how long I'm going to make it for. I hope when we're getting near the end of our quest here. Oh, I don't believe it. Civilization. Looks like I may have just found my way out of here.